Hey guys, I'm making this video because I ran into a problem where I install UNMS and whenever I try to access it, I was unable to get the GUI. So if you're having this problem, let me show you what happened first of all so you can understand what I'm saying. At first, let's go over here and I'm gonna just run these commands back. Go, let me stop the UNMS. And this actually is I'm going to uninstall it, and so I can start from scratch so you guys can see what happened. Okay, after that, and I'll put all these commands down there for you guys to see, and probably add an asterisk. Okay, do dash rf, and the F flag is to force deletion. Okay, see what else. There was one more command to run this. Actually, let me just write it. Maybe if I go up more. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and type it. So it's sudo where's the tilde? UNMS slash, oh wait, we already did that one and we did the remove. So it's sudo rm dash force remove tilde UNMS slash data, actually slash app, and everything with it. Yeah, keep forgetting that R here. So I've cleaned up my UNMS, and let me install it again. So I'm going to use that command right there, and let's install it. If it decides to install, okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna say yes here because you know there's always that directory that was left, the leftovers. Now, as you can see, as you're installing, my port 80 is already in use, so I'm gonna go with the default 8080. I mean, you don't have to type it, you can just press enter and it will still use that port. So once it's done creating its thing, I'll show you the problem that was running into, and I hope if you guys were running into the same problem, remember this port right here. Whatever you set right, if you put enter or specify a different port, I think that's where the problem lies. So as you can see, my UNMS is running. So let me pull a web browser right here, and I will do, yeah, come on, I'm gonna use this right here. Let me grab a new window here. So now you're gonna go to http // the address of your server, right? And nothing is happening, so that's the problem. And I was reading through articles and I couldn't figure out. Everybody saying uninstall, reinstall. I did that twice and got the same results. As you can see, there's nothing connecting, and you get the connection has timed out. Now remember when you added the ports, so if you add this one, voila, you get the obviously you're gonna accept and confirm, and there you go, your UNMS is ready to set up, and you can go ahead and continue setting up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was informative. Leave a comment down below, and see you later, guys. All right.